Hey up, here we are again, back on a new vlog. Got Richard and Emma with me on this trip, and we're off up to Falkirk in Scotland to meet Andy and Joyce. So we're here at the Travel Lodge. We're just getting ready to go to sunny Newcastle.
Hello there.
Hello.
Slightly drier than yesterday. Bikes could do with a bit of a clean. Let's hit the road. We're videoing again.
We're going to take a picture of the last cafe in England.
We're at the last cafe in England.
Is this proper the last cafe in England?
It's proper the last cafe in England. The border's just over there, proper. It's the last cafeage.
Cafage.
Cafage in England.
The last cafage in England.
Menage a trois.
A last cafage in the menage.
It's English.
We've met up with Andy and Joyce. It's now day 3 and we're going to see the Falkirk Wheel. I'll put a link in the description so you can have a look.
Like this counterbalance rates and the maths behind it all, and that's a lot of riveting.
The power to boil 6 kettles is what it takes to turn that.
Yeah, because it's all counterbalanced.
It's all inertia. Once it starts moving, it's as soon as the inertia.
Yeah.
The Falkirk Wheel. He's probably reversing in, so he's going forward on the way back.
Yeah. You got a photo of it. Thanks to the horse. And you can catch it's a Scottish Shetland pony. With a small man. He won't like it, but I think it's funny.
So do I.
Come on.
Oh, there you go. And we're off.
You boiled kettles?
Neil's been holding that camera so long he's going to end up with a frozen shoulder.
Ran out of battery. That's it, we've got to
I'm
jump.
speeding this up on the fucking film. Come on!
Come on!
Underwhelmed.
I think it's amazing, the engineering that goes into making something
It's
like
clever,
that.
eh? That is very clever.
No, I'm not.
Pretty fucking useless if you haven't got a badge.
Well, aye.
Got all that way. The engineer has gone making these supports to take all that way. Mad, isn't it?
You woke me up then.
I never said it was exciting.
World famous.
Pony.
Stand underneath it. Yeah, you're about as big as that person next to you. There you go. Keep helping, makes it cooler.
Here we have, in his natural habitat,
A Shetland pony.
a Shetland pony with its owner. He just only wishes he could find the height to step onto it to ride it.
World famous.